Hey there! If you're looking to show your heart some love while still keeping things absolutely delicious, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my favorite salmon recipes that aren't just heart healthy, but also super easy to whip up. Let's start with the basics. Did you know salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids? These are the healthy fats that help lower bad cholesterol and can even reduce inflammation. So, eating salmon isn't just tasty, it's actually doing your heart a favor. First up, my go-to lemon herb grilled salmon. All you need is a salmon fillet, a squeeze of fresh lemon, a sprinkle of dill, and a dash of olive oil. Pop it on the grill for a few minutes each side and voila! The result is a flaky, flavorful salmon that goes perfectly with a side of leafy greens. Next, let's warm things up with a honey garlic baked salmon. Mix honey, garlic, and a splash of soy sauce. Pour it over your salmon, then bake. The sweet and savory glaze makes every bite melt in your mouth, and your heart will thank you for it. And for a quick lunch, try a salmon avocado salad. Flaked cooked salmon, creamy avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of lemon juice. It's light, filling, and bursting with nutrients. So, next time you're planning your meals, give your heart a boost with these simple salmon recipes. Eating healthy never tasted so good. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, heart-loving recipes. Catch you next time.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.